Hello everyone! Welcome to another edition of Plant Talk. Today we will talk about the chickpeas, black chana or garbanzo beans and how to go from this to this in just a couple of weeks. Black chana is a legume with hard skin, and I am personally not a big fan of the hard skin that it retains even after cooking. For those who do not have a back garden, open space or allotments, this is perfect to grow in pots. So I've taken about 3 handfuls of chickpeas, mind you my little handfuls, and I will soak them in water for the day, and in the evening I will drain them and leave them overnight for the chickpeas to sprout. So as you can see, my chickpeas have sprouted and it looks like there's enough for them to be planted in 2 large pots. So I'm using a combination of soil and compost and filling my pot approximately 3/4 of the way up. Now I'm going to put in my sprouted chickpeas close enough but not touching each other. Now that I am happy with my arrangement, I am going to cover it with a layer of soil and make sure that none of the chickpeas are visible. Pat it down gently, water it and leave it alone for the seeds to germinate. After 3 to 4 days, the seeds will have germinated and you will see small green shoots. We have been having wonderful weather for the past few weeks, and I've been checking them on a daily basis, and I can report that they are growing brilliantly. Looking at my plants over the past week, I can tell there has been excellent growth in both of my pots, and it looks like it is not going to be long before it is ready for harvesting. I love the way the leaves feel when you move your hand across the top of the chickpea plants. Looking at the height, I think it is ready for the plant to be harvested. The leaves can be used in many different ways. You can eat them raw, sprinkle them on top of salads, it can be an alternative to herbs, you can make pesto, you can make saag, and in Indian bhajis. Let me snip one and show you. Sometimes the stalk at the bottom can be a bit hard, so you can take off the leaves and discard the stalk. The top of the stalk is nice and tender, so you can snip off that bit and discard the rest. The leaves are really nutty in taste. Did you know the chickpea leaves have more minerals than spinach leaves and cabbage leaves? It is now time to harvest. I'm leaving about 1 centimetre at the bottom so the chickpea plant has a chance of regrowth. This is what I've harvested from 1 pot and it looks good. So this is what it looks like after the pot has been harvested. I'm leaving 1 pot for next time. I have left a couple of plants for flowering and I will make another video when it does. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, press like and share this video. Bye!